Hi guys, today in this video we are going to look at how to write the name for this compound over here, which is MgHCO3. So there are a couple of rules that you need to follow, and you should know these rules so to write the names with ease. So whenever you have a compound like this, which is made up of one metal, here magnesium is a metal, and HCO3, that is bicarbonate ion or hydrogen carbonate ion, this is a non-metal. So whenever you have these kind of compounds, you should remember these two things, that we always start by naming the metal first. So here we have magnesium, so write magnesium here, and then you proceed forward and look at the ion which is associated to it. So here we have HCO3, which is also known as bicarbonate ion or hydrogen carbonate ion. Now bicarbonate ion is something that was used quite like long back. Now we use hydrogen carbonate ion, that is more like modern chemistry right now. So we write magnesium hydrogen carbonate, and this is the IUPAC name or IUPAC name for MgHCO3 too. So basically you need to look at the metal, the non-metal that is associated to it, and write the name like this. So I hope this video helps you to understand on how to write the names for such compounds. You can always take help of the periodic table. Look at the table for groups, because a lot of times there will be other polyatomic groups that would be attached to the metals. So always remember the functional name of the group and the functional group as well, to make it easy for you to name a compound. I hope this video helps you to understand this naming process with ease. And for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.